Yeah, Archie came to join, but he wants my attention, not the puppies. Archie, can you lay down? Can you lay down, baby? You want attention, but you have the wrong attention. Ouch. Can you lay down? I'm trying to tape you kids. You're in my face. You in my face. Boy, is she loud, huh? Look at the blue one trying to play up there all by himself. Oh, those are the two loud ones. The brown and the purple. Hey! Hey, pumpkin. Come on, not too close. Oh, this is so cute. I know. I can't do this from here. She's giving the kisses. What is he doing? Playing? Is he playing him? I can tell. Is he playing with him? Good boy, Archie. Good boy. You playing with them. You finally playing with them. Here's another one for you. Yeah. I can't do this like that. I can't see him. Kisses? Are you gonna give her kisses? Oh. Oh Jesus, he scared the heck out of me. I had to cut it out.
I got too close to my privates.
Is that what it was?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stay away from my privates.
I don't have a milk. You got it wrong, dog. I don't have milk. Oh, he's playing. He's playing, yeah. He's just playing with them now. Yeah, he wants, like, I don't know about this. I'm gonna check on that one. I'm gonna check on that one. Oops. What do you think, Arch? Those are your babies. You coming out? Wanna come out? Okay, there you go. Okay. We have two sleeping. And maybe three. No biting me. Where you going? You're gonna be the last one falling asleep, Miss Purple. Like always. Oh, what? Oh, come here, I pick you up. Come here, I pick you up. Come here, I pick you up. Yes, I will. Come here. Oh, come here. Come here, I pick you up. Who's behind me? You stop biting me. Okay, that's gonna be it. They're gonna settle down pretty soon. That should be it for the nighttime. So yeah, so they graduated from the swimming pool to this big, I don't know what size is this, 10 by 10 area, very easily for the whole night. Okay, good night and see you tomorrow.